Assalamualaikum, hi to everyone. My name is Tolahah from KTXL's Toastmasters Club. Have you ever wondered how most of the graphic designer can do such a beautiful artwork? And you also can do it. Don't worry, because on the 27th of August, I mean this coming Saturday, I will show you how you can produce the same beautiful poster as any graphic designers in the world by just using Canva. So if you are interested to know how to do it, don't forget, join me on this coming 27th of August.